So as we broaden and we look into all these things, it goes beyond just using the agents for a typical process, but it stretches across the entire function now. Right. That's how, within AI training to you, Wei-Jin and I, we discussed quite extensively about it, is to make sure we can tailor it accordingly, right? I know, there's NAN, and there's Claude Code, there's Google ADK, there's Make, there's Zapier, there's Power Automate. But all these things are first principles. As long as the first principles are there, right, regardless of whichever platform that you use, right, at least you know how to string everything together in this whole new agentic ecosystem. Okay, so if you're interested, you can check out the website. It's new right now. We're defining all the core syllabus. We will be running the first version of it on the 26th and 27th of March for public class, right?
Yeah, so, right now it's in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's an offline class because it's very difficult to do all this online because it's a hands-on exercise. I think 90% will be hands-on. Then we are showing step-by-step configuration, step-by-step guidance. And if you have any question on the spot, we have I will be there to help you also. And we have facilitated as well.
It's not online for a reason because it's one of those things where people will get stuck, right? You will get stuck as you try and practice it and so on and so forth, right? And there will be facilities to help there to be there to help you along the way. The key things with all this stuff, right? Because it's also new, things are still evolving. So it's continuously knowing how to get the hands dirty and getting the hands dirty. Just to run, create your first audit report, your first financial report, your first financial analysis, your first inventory, or first variance, budget variance analysis. So that's the approach that we're taking.
Yeah. So if let's say you are not from Malaysia, right, and in your country you can have a participant of 20 to 30 packs, and we can fly over to go over your site to conduct a class over there as well. Okay, I think apart from that, John, just I have a question. Anyone are using Claude Team or the Claude Enterprise to share different experience? John, right now, what is the plan that you are using for Claude? John, are you here? Okay. Anyway, John is also inside the AI for Accountant community group chat. Anyone, if let's say you are using Claude Team and Claude Enterprise, feel free to share your experience with him, because the purpose for the community is to share more different AI development so that we can know what is going on. And end of the day, it's about adoption. Just what Warren has shared just now is where to start. And definitely when you start to roll things out, there are different challenges, and we are happy to share the different type of constraint that you might happen, and usually what are the common solution for that. All right. With that, thank you everyone for your time to participate in the webinar for today. Of course, I think going forward, as things evolve rapidly, we will definitely have a recurring sharing session for every month or even bi-monthly. Okay, stay tuned for that. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.